Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a fade out effect to your videos by using keyframes in CapCut. So here I'm going to, you can just start by adding your clips and then just add keyframes at the start and the end of the clip. And at the end of the clip or at the second keyframes, find the opacity options and lower the opacity of your video to your liking. I'm going to go with 55, and you can just do this for the rest of the clip. Okay, so I've already add keyframes and lower the opacity for all clips, and by doing so you can see now that the clips will have a fade out effect like this. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and click on the thanks. Bye.